Go.
Hi, welcome to my Oma's YouTube channel. My name is Ella. I'm 9. Today we are going to make paint a unicorn. And so I got pink paint that I'm gonna use, and it's like pink polish. That's what it's called. Yeah, and I'm using this paintbrush, and I'm just gonna paint the unicorn. So just like paint it one way. Like don't paint it like that and also down. You gotta paint it one way. Okay. So now I'm just gonna I'll come back when the paint is dry. I'm back and I'm gonna make the eyeball for my unicorn with tacky glue and a button. So I'm gonna put some tacky glue on the button. And I'm gonna put it right on the unicorn. Right there. And I'm not done.
Go.
Now I'm gonna put a piece of sequins on my eye, and I gotta put it on here. And then put it on the button. There. And now I gotta put some glue on here. Now I'm gonna use this for the dot of my eye. Right in the middle where the hole is. Now I made my eye. Hello, I'm going to make my unicorn's hair now with gold. I'm going to use gold on the outside first. So I put Mod Podge glue in the cap, and I'm going to dip my paintbrush in it, and I'm going to I'm going to glue this, put the glue on here, and then I'm gonna put the gold paint on. Okay, now I'm gonna use the gold, spot gold.
Now you gotta knock it off, huh? Just tap. There you go. Right, you done?
Yeah.
Right, now you're gonna do the next color.
Okay, now I'm going to use this color for my middle. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this pink color for my last hair strip. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, I fixed the blue up and I'm sealing the colors, the glitter, so it doesn't get everywhere. With the glue.
How it's getting in there. See guys, that's why we gotta keep washing it every time she does a color. Okay, so we're gonna pause the video, wash this up, and get our fresh glue.
Okay, I'm doing the last color now. I'm doing my horn now, so I'm gonna use chunky glitter. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome everything.